Here is step-by-step guide how to download and install Coinomi Wallet on your iPhone device. So first of all, let me swipe down and type in here App Store and tap on App Store application. After that, tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. After that, typing in the search Coinomi Wallet and tap on search button. After that, scroll down until you find Coinomi Wallet application, tap on that, and after that, tap on Get button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap on Open button right here, wait, loading application, tap on Allow notification, and as you can see, that's it. You can create a new wallet or restore a wallet. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Coinomi. See you next time.